he's saying, you're going to deny me. That's even bigger.
Mm-hmm.
And they're hurt. And right up to, you know, Peter says, I don't care about the rest of these guys. Of course, he called him Simon, and that got his attention.
Mm-hmm.
That would certainly get my attention.
Mm-hmm.
And it was interesting their interaction because as when the whole group of them, even Thomas, spoke up and said, "We will never deny you," and of course we have the advantage or disadvantage of knowing what's going to happen and that they are going to deny him.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the pain that Jesus is feeling, and they're not understanding.